Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my avocado basil pesto. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is slice up your avocados. Have you guys ever seen an avocado like this where the pit is just gone? That was crazy. Be careful when you slice your avocado so you don't cut yourself. Then you're going to want to grab a food processor and you're going to want to scoop all of your avocados out into the food processor. Alright, so typically I would use 2 avocados for this, but they're like good size avocados. And all I could find are these really small ones at the store that were ripe. So I ended up getting 4 little ones. But you only need about 2 nice sized avocados for this. Now we are going to zest a lemon into it, and then we're going to add all the juice of the lemon. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now my basil is not big enough yet for me to harvest, so we're going to be using store-bought basil. You want basically 2 cups of basil. And after you've packed all of that in there, we're going to put the lid on it and blend it up. And you will have to stop and scrape down the sides to make sure everything gets well incorporated. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You can use raw garlic. I just find that I prefer the punchy lemon to be forward in this, and we're going to use the granulated garlic instead. And there it is, guys, my avocado basil pesto. It is so delicious and so good for you. There is no added oils. The avocado is doing all the heavy lifting for the fat in this. And you want to taste it and see if it needs anything else. If it's not lemony enough, add more lemon juice. I actually think I'm going to add a little bit more salt to it, but other than that, it's perfect. And you can use this for so many things. You can use it on wraps, sandwiches. You can use it in a salad. You can put it on a pizza. You can use this as your avocado toast. You can put it on a potato salad. There's so many different options for this, which I will be doing a potato salad recipe using this. But today, I'm going to use it for a pasta. And this makes about 2 cups of pesto, and it will keep in the fridge for a week, and you can freeze it. I have done that before. And there it is, you guys. This is the Trader Joe's spinach and cashew stuffed ravioli, topped with Follow Your Heart Parmesan, and my avocado basil pesto. This is so light and refreshing and also rich and decadent at the same time. I crave this every single year about this time of year. I hope you guys give this a try. Enjoy.